This is the project I've been hoping to put off until after I retire, but apparently I don't think I'm going to be able to do that according to the powers that be. The garage organization project. This is going to take a while. I expect to make a big impact on the state of the garage. There are a few items that are just kind of out here. A few things that might need to be rearranged, possibly. I was going to try to wait till spring when the pollen left, and then I could take all these cushions and stuff out of here and the pool pump and that kind of stuff, but oh well, I'm going to get started. All right, step one, we are going to turn this section I've already kind of started right here into kind of a general area to put the stuff that belongs to Tammy's mother that we keep here. And this section up here, I moved a few things away, and I want to try to put the general kind of Halloween and spring, Easter kind of stuff, decorating stuff. Of course, all down through there is all of our Christmas stuff. So I'm going to try to stick all that stuff up here since we only get it out about once a year. And I've already found a few items that I need to take to my brother-in-law that was off my boat that he now has. And so step one in the process. And I need to disassemble this bed. It was her mother's. She's in a assisted living facility right now, so she doesn't need this bed. So I'm going to try to take this apart so I can stow it out of the way. All right, I'm working my way through it slowly but surely, putting all her mother's stuff, working it all into space here. Some general Christmas and her mother's stuff, cleaner, all the cleaner, pictures, some coolers, kitchen stuff, surplus of kitchen stuff that she's got. Found this upstairs in May's room. She don't want it. I'm gonna figure out something I can put in there. Kitchen supplies that she's got down here. There's our freezer. Working up there. Let me get that kind of straight. Take this table out over here so I can put these mattresses in her mom's bed and that kind of stuff and store it right there. And I'm going to start putting my general kind of car stuff and pool stuff on these shelves right here. And then we'll start working on that side over there. Whew. Probably not going to get all this done today, but getting there. Of course, it just occurred to me, I guess this is considered my man cave. I do have a television down here. I'm watching the Braves and the Cubs. You may be asking yourself, Chris, how did this get in this condition? And because it's my man cave. So how do things get all messed up? And I think there are people that get into my man cave that I don't think they put things back where they go, but these people keep messing things up in here. I'm gonna try to get this straightened up, keep working at it, but maybe I can figure out who's been getting in here. Somebody, not me. Okay, I got this side finished. This is at least half the job. And I got something else I may do with this space right here that I'm thinking about. But at least I got all these shelves and stuff straightened up and everything where it goes for now. Got this part over here fixed up. Floor kind of swept up a little bit anyway. And ready to watch the ball game. Then maybe next weekend or maybe tomorrow, start tackling this side over here. This side over here, I pretty much know where things go. I don't know that I'm already gonna have to change a lot of things around, but I just need to clean it up. And you may ask yourself, who likes stuff like this? Well, I'll tell you who likes stuff like this. The same kind of people that would drive a car like that. Old people. Old people love to see things straightened up and things put in their place. Wow.